Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel name stands for BK Tech Insights. First of all, thank you for clicking on this video. In this video, I am going to solve an Google Cloud Arcade solution, which is for the June month. Okay, so PUB slash sub quick start Python. Uh, this is the first Google Cloud solution video from my channel. I will be posting daily and video related to Google Cloud Arcade solution, internships, hackathons, technical updations, and uh, Power BI, Tableau, and MS Excel. My focus on cloud and data analytics. Okay, so you will be enjoying a lot of free content, and especially in English. So stay tuned and do like and subscribe. Okay, come we will start this lab first of all. I'm clicking in open in new. Let me click on start now. Okay, so before that. Learn what is PUB slash subservice. It allows to application to access messages reliably, quickly, and asynchronously to accomplish publisher's message to cloud subtopic. A subscriber client then sends a subscription to the topic and consume the subscription. Okay, so it's generally a content-based platform where you will going to generate and content and where the people will be following for your solutions for your what to say your contents. Okay, so just I'm going and open in a new tab and just copy your username. Okay, and just click on continue. And I'm trying with you. I not even practiced beforely, so I'm trying for the first time. So just verify your student ID, which is matches with the given ID. Okay, so in this mine is like what it is showing. It is like student 01E09. Same it is going, right? Okay. Then what you have to do, activate the cloud cell, right? Then come back to the requirements, what you have to do. We will be solving one by one, okay? First, we have to click on the activate and give the authentication. It will be taking some time, okay? Just give on authorize, right? Okay, just what you have to do, you have to click the authorize and create a virtual environment, okay? So just let me close this now and I'm starting to paste the one command. Okay, one by one. It will be creating the virtual environment and build the virtual environment. And you are going to build the virtual environment and install the client library. Okay, I'm copying the next code. Next control V. Then you copy the sample code by cloning a GitHub repository. Okay, so this fourth command. Then followed by you are going to navigate to the directory, right? Fifth command, just paste here. Then come back and PUB sub the basics. It is an asynchronous global messaging service. There are three terms in PUB sub that appears: topics, publishing, subscribing. A topic is a shared string that allows application to get another through common thread. Publishers message a subtopic, and subscribers will get a subscription for this. Basically, you can take it as a WhatsApp. Okay, right? Then you have to create a topic, right? And let me check whether we can navigate to the uh, directory. We already navigated to the directory and just we go to the create a topic, right? Just control V and paste. And then just see the output of it, right? Okay, good. Then publisher, you are going to publish a script, right? Then okay, good. Then go to the fifth, uh, fifth Python publisher, create my topic. Just wait for some minute, it will get create. Okay, it's getting created. Just me check my topic is completed or not. Yeah, it is getting completed. Then you copy the Python publisher For that project, it will give this list of sub projects. Okay, project list, right? Then you go for the last, create a subscription, right? Go to the subscription. Okay, just wait for some more time. It will be get completed. The subscription is get active. It is also completed. Okay. Then anything is there for this? Nothing is there. So we have completed the lab successfully. So yeah, it is true. Then I think it's a message. Right? Sorry, it's a topic. Right, it is completed. So this is all for the lab, and thank you for clicking on this video. I will be taking care and looking at another video. Okay, take care and bye bye.